I just want to share this quick solution that I have implemented when suddenly your group discussions or forum stop working. When I say stop working, that means when you, example, try to visit your forums and then try to click anything here, suddenly just keep on spinning, or even a 404. Hi guys, Danica here, and my team and I designed WordPress membership sites. So that was a problem that we suddenly have. We noticed that happened when we updated the BodyBoss theme and plugins. Also with that, the profile page will stop working. That means it's also just gonna keep on spinning and you can't even visit the profile page. But you can see the members list and you can see again the forums, but you can individually visit those. So the solution for that is disconnecting and connecting the discussion in your group. Now, just a warning on this, that I've only tried the solution for Memberium sites, so membership site with Memberium, because with that integration, there's an auto join tag. Similar with WP Fusion, you can also have similar functionality. So with a tag, you can auto enroll members. Okay, so the solution was disconnecting. So if this is the group that holds your discussions, so you need to disconnect this, save, and then reconnect it. This forum will not be deleted if you disconnect it. It's still gonna be in your side, so if you decide to reconnect, it's still available. There's gonna be a warning when you try to do this, like reconnecting. It says like your members will be removed, something like that. I haven't been able to take a screenshot. So that's why I want to tell you that I've only done this with BodyBoss, with a automator or membership plugin that auto-enrolls those existing lists that we already have. So when you're trying to fix, if you have this issue, make sure you do that in a staging site. Do not do it in a live one, just in case there's gonna be some problem, like example, if your members are gonna be removed and so on, so that your live site will not be affected. So again, do that in the staging site, test it. After reconnecting that part, disconnecting and reconnecting, all of the forums were fixed. I no longer get the 404 page and was able to access the profile pages again. So yeah, just want to share that solution. I also found some mention like this issue in the BodyPress forum. I didn't see one in Facebook or something, so there were a bit more detail in the discussion, but I did see that you try to disconnect and reconnect the discussion here, because anyway, that is a problem. It stopped working, the forum, but you can access the parent pages, just not the individual pages. Okay, so I hope this video helps. If you have any question, do let me know and I'll try to answer those as soon as I can in the comment section below. So yeah, in my next video, I'm gonna also discuss about server. So what configuration I recommend you do when setting up your WordPress membership site, especially with BodyBoss, because that's pretty heavy template. I'm just in the testing stage at the moment, but maybe within this month I should be able to share those details with you. So again, I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.